Welcome to the course of Statistics for Beginner. Master the Fundamental. In this course, we will get to know about the basic concepts of the statistics, which include the basic fundamentals of statistics, different types of data that we analyze in the statistics, the scales of measurement, the difference between population and sample, what are the methods that we have used in order to collect the data, the primary method and secondary methods. We will also cover the descriptive statistics, in which we get to know about the measurement of central tendency, measures of dispersion, frequency distribution, visualization of data, histogram, pie chart, and box plot, how these visualizing tools has been used in statistics in order to present the data well. We will get to know the basics of probability, which help to enhance the statistical concept and help in different researches and with different domains. We will get to know about inferential statistics, where we know about the sampling methods, confidence level, hypothesis testing, and we will also see some practical implication of these statistical tools in businesses and researches. And on basic ground, on fundamental grounds, we get to know about the regression and correlation. And at last of this course, we will get to know about how statistics will use in businesses, social sciences, economics, healthcare, some case study. I will share in each class some real life examples and all things which make this statistics real for the pupil. How businesses use this, how the in real life in social sciences people use these statistics in their lives. So we have interact with statistics at each and every point in our life. So we get to know about how this concept has been used in daily life. Welcome and join this course and get the basic knowledge of the statistics.